Before installing a new curtain rod, take some measurements to make sure you're putting it in the right place. For instance, if you want to install floor-length curtains that are 96 inches, 243.8 centimeters long, you'll need to put the rod 96 inches, 243.8 centimeters above the floor. You'll also need to take into account how far you want the curtains to extend on either side of the window frame, since this will help determine where to attach the brackets for the rod. If you're installing a really wide curtain rod, for example over a picture window, you might also want to add a middle support bracket halfway between the two main brackets. Make marks on the wall with a pencil where you want the brackets to go. Then check that they're even with a laser level. Once you're satisfied that they're lined up correctly, hold the brackets in place and insert a pencil into the screw holes to mark where the screws will go. Drill pilot holes into the wall or window casing at each spot where you will be putting in a screw. If you're installing the brackets in drywall rather than in a wall stud, drive in screw anchors to ensure that the curtain rod stays securely in place. Line the brackets up over the pilot holes and screw them in. Insert the rod into the brackets and use a carpenter's level to double check that it's sitting correctly. If it's not, you may need to adjust the placement of the brackets. Finally, remove the rod and hang your curtains on it. Then replace the rod between the brackets.